Welcome back to my channel iTechShare, a channel to connect, discuss and share. I'll keep today's session simple and short but useful. So in React so far we got to know from basics to hooks. Now we can do two things. Option number 1, we can continue with React session and go through all advanced topics one by one to become a pro. And option number 2, take a pause, apply the things that we have learned so far and get into the field to face the reality. We'll take the second path now. I'll share you some of the portals, question dumps for React which will help you to get the real feeling of the market. On the go, if you wish to gather deep knowledge on any topic, then you can deep dive into that. But before going there, let's just touch base on one small topic, which is how to use Bootstrap in React. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free and open source CSS framework to design and style responsive UI. And when we are developing UI such as React, this is a common thing to integrate with that UI. This is the easiest way to make our pages look lucrative because we'll get all ready-made code and we just need to copy, paste and run. To start with, let us get into the Bootstrap official site. See here what we have just discussed, that also mentioned over here, that Bootstrap is a powerful, extensible and feature-packed front-end toolkit. So you no need to reinvent the wheels. The things are already here. Whatever styles you want, copy the code and take it in your page. Here you can see that you can do it in two ways. One is that install via package manner and second one is the include via CDN. So whenever we are talking about installing it through package, that means through your npm package. You can just need to run this command like $npm install bootstrap and the version number. The second way of doing this is include via CDN. We'll be going by this way. So whenever we are doing it through CDN, we need to do two things only. This CSS path and JavaScript path we need to copy and paste in our page, and that's all. See here, now I have copied this CSS thing. I am going to my index.html page and inside your header just mention that CSS. So we have pasted our CSS thing here. It's time for us to do the same thing for the JS. And for JS we need to paste this inside this body tag. See, now I am copying this JS thing and will be placing over here. So time for us to integrate some of the Bootstrap component here and just to check how our page looks like. Let me comment out everything from this app.js file. So from this docs tab, I can able to access all the components of Bootstrap. I am now searching for the component. Yes, I am going for the navbar. Okay, so let's take this one. I'll be copying this code from this page. So I have pasted that code inside this div in this app.js page. So here we need to make one change, that we have to change this class to class name. Let's do that for all. Now see, here on my page the navbar is getting displayed and it is coming from the Bootstrap. So we have successfully integrated the Bootstrap. Let us now do for another component. Let's do it for badge this time. Copy this code. Do the same thing like we did for the navbar. Just paste this code and change the class to class name. And then run your application. Now badge is also coming on my page. So we have successfully integrated Bootstrap. Like this way, you can go ahead and integrate anything you want. Now let us get into the most interesting part of this session, that is React question dump. I am getting lots of questions and queries nowadays how to crack React interview. The answer is by applying. You can't become a pro by just reading through the sessions because every day things are changing. So learn while working on it. This is ongoing process. Here is the first artifact, the GitHub question dump by Sudheer Jonna. This is a great start. He has done excellent job in collating these questions with detailed answer. JavaPoint and careerguru, 2 other portals which can work as a reference. Don't worry, I'll be sharing all these links in the description box. Go for the interview, don't scare of the failure. Let you fail first and learn from there. But if you just keep waiting that okay, when I'll become a pro then only I'll apply, that day will never come. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thanks for your time, thanks for your patience.